Ladies and gentlemen, I am your planetary defense commander, Star-Lord New Thor 7, the T. And I'm here to tell you about planetary angular momentum and the 3.7 magnitude earthquake that hit Hollandale, Mississippi in the Delta region at 4:26 p.m. Central Time. Now, a lot of people on Twitter are kind of freaked out by this. They're like, oh my God, an earthquake has hit again in a region that we're not used to. And I'm saying, well, told you so, planetary angular orbital momentum. And we are going to see more East Coast earthquakes and possibly West Coast volcano eruptions over the next 6 years. Here, SUPT HSD, Highway 438 in Washington County, Mississippi, after the magnitude 3.9 earthquake. Yep, our infrastructure is a patchwork shit show. Oh, and also, Mars is squaring Mercury, so everybody's going to be extra irritable today, including me. Now, what is planetary angular orbital momentum? Here's the deal. It may blow your mind. The planets are rotating around the sun. And so they give off frequency, they give off energy, they give off sound. Their magnetic fields are connected to Earth and the sun. And that through all my true detective research here at Thor News over 6 years, I have found out that almost any major earthquake or volcano event you can trace back to all the gas giants, which would be Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, and yes, I'm going to say Eris, on the same side of the sun. And so while they're on the same side of the sun, shit gets wonky on planet Earth in the tectonic activities, meaning volcanoes and earthquakes. And science like say, this isn't true, Thor. The only thing that matters is carbon. Carbon is the only thing. You know what'll stop tsunamis and volcanoes and earthquakes? A carbon tax. Which is the dumbest shit I ever heard. Okay. But most scientists who say that make a whole lot more money than I do. So it'll take about Jupiter 6 years to even get back around this area. And so that's why we have to be prepared. I don't think the coasts are safe until Jupiter gets back around, which will take 6 more years to get a little more balance in the solar system. And now let's go to, this is the date of the new Madrid quake, which happened in 1811, December 12th, or December 16th. Everyone got it here. New Madrid quakes. The worst one hit December 16th, 1811. And the aftershocks followed, and then you had the February 7th, 1812, which is only a year later. Let me show you here. So there's the sun right there. So if you'll notice, there and there. And so notice there's Neptune, there's Uranus, and they're all on the same side of the sun. And so even if we go track it up a day, what did it say the date was? February 7th, 1812. We're going to take this thing forward. Oh, dang, I went too far. But yeah, so notice the gas giants don't move much. February 7th. Gas giants still all on the same side. And at the same time, you had 7 different volcanoes erupting on the West Coast. So this is just a quick and easy video. They'll probably get me in trouble with the authorities because they do not like the truth being told while they're trying to sell you a $4.5 trillion carbon tax. But yep, guys, expect more earthquakes on possibly the West Coast, the East Coast, and volcanoes on the West Coast as well. And so one thing I think is interesting, you got Eris, Uranus, and Mars, and then when we look at the mean sea level pressure levels, It almost looks like three bodies, although this does look like boobs, but I'm trying not to think about boobs. Because unlike when you get hungry, you can go buy food, and when you get in the mood for boobs, I guess you can't legally go buy boobs, and you know, paying for sex is kind of like the people who hunt animals in a cage. It don't make no damn sense. It definitely look like boobs. Or 3 planets mushed together, just like right there, boom, boom, boom. But scientists will tell you that the planets don't matter, that they have a nominal, negligible effect on our sun and our planet. But I'm saying that I can almost guaranteeing you that as long as the gas giants are on the same side, and especially while we're hanging out here all by ourselves, shit is going to be wonky. So expect weird weather all year and till 2025. So that's why I think we should all work together as one Earth family to deal with these Earth weather changes, instead of letting corporations band together behind the scenes to make a whole lot of money off dead peasants' insurance when they know the truth. Sound cool? All right. I'm going to get back to trying not to be so irritated. And also, I sincerely appreciate you, all of you, all the support, all the love, all the prayers, all the contributions, all the donations. We saved Thor News. That is fantastic. But can I say, I've only got $10. So if anybody thinks I'm awesome and wants to contribute even $5, buy me some cans of beans. I got beans in the thing, though. So, yeah, if you do want to contribute or donate, I'll leave my PayPal link. That's how I make my money. Bring you guys awesome information. And then sometimes people go, that information was so good, I'm going to reward that kid. Hopefully, today is one of those days. Okay, everybody stay cool. I love you. Talk to y'all soon. God bless everyone.